In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer XRP from Kraken to Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly transfer your XRP from Kraken to Binance. This will also work for any other crypto asset that you have. I'm gonna teach you how to set up your address on Binance to receive the crypto from Kraken. So I recommend starting this on Binance instead of Kraken. When you go over to Binance, access your wallet, so choose wallet, and you will see all of the assets that you have. You will see their values displayed here, and all that you have to do is click on deposit at the right side of XRP. So find XRP on this list and then choose deposit, or you can use the main deposit button at the top, and when you choose deposit, you will be redirected to another page where you can choose the specific coin or asset. Of course, in this example screenshot here, I have Bitcoin, but for the purposes of this video, you would select XRP. So you choose XRP, configure the network, and you will be given an address. This address is how you will be receiving XRP that you send over from any exchange wallet into Binance. So copy this address. You also have the option to display this in a QR code. So maybe if you want to use the Kraken app, this could be simpler. Either way, copy the wallet address or display the QR code. And now it is time to use this particular XRP address that you acquired on Kraken. So now go back to Kraken and choose the transfer crypto option at the left. After you select transfer crypto, switch from deposit to withdraw. By selecting this option, now you are able to choose the coin, the network, and then the withdraw address. So choose XRP. If you have never added an XRP wallet before, the button will appear over here with the option to add automatically, but if you have transferred to other exchange wallets previously, then you will see it appear by default. So if you want to add the Binance wallet address, choose the option to add a new withdraw address. Immediately upon selecting this, you will see this menu where you can paste the Binance wallet address that you copied. Paste it here, choose the option to add the withdraw address, and within a couple of minutes, you will get an email from Kraken. This is for account security, so you will have to confirm that you want to add this new withdraw address from Binance. Make sure that you go to your email and you confirm this address. After it has been confirmed and verified, you are now able to choose it from the list, so the Binance wallet address will appear over here, and you can finish this transfer by confirming that you chose XRP, confirming the network, and of course the withdraw amount. You can choose to put the amount in your local currency or the amount in XRP itself. It is going to appear under your transactions, and you can check it at any time when you go over to its page. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer XRP from Kraken to Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.